Hello, my name is Kenneth Moss, and I'm a doctoral student at the Colorado Technical University's Institute for Advanced Studies. This video is the second showing of a proof of concept called the virtual office. The goal of this concept is to provide a viable application partially in a standard Windows application and partially in the virtual world. This application will allow workers to work remotely but still give them the feeling of comfort of being within an office connected to coworkers. The biggest pitfall stopping businesses from allowing remote workers revolves around seeing the work being done. Managers often want to see their workers in action to feel like they have a handle on the department. The proposed solution will provide a 3D application in conjunction with an in-house application that is used by the customer. On the screen, you see two applications running. The top application is a Microsoft.NET application called Remote Worker Sim. The bottom application is the Second Life viewer. Eventually, the viewer will be merged into the .NET application, but for now, communication will take place through Second Life. When the Remote Worker Sim starts up, it prompts you for a logon. I'm going to enter my avatar's name and press the login button. Now, as you can see, my name is now listed in the logged in users, and we could see this yellow message that it's polling the server once every second to try to get any notifications that are coming across for my avatar. So what I'm going to do here is click in my Second Life viewer, and I'm going to click Clock In. Now if we look, we notice that I just clocked in, and that's the date and time stamp. So now I'm going to walk up to the second floor. And this is where the work would get done by this particular user. And it's a little barren right now, but over time I'll be building up cubicles and office furniture in here to use. So I have three file cabinets that interact with the system. The first one is the vendors. So when I click on the vendors file cabinet, I notice I get a record here called vendor records. And then in turn, that triggers my list of vendors to be shown in the application. If I click on employees, we see the record come across and all the employee records inside the filing cabinet. And the same with the third one, customers. Click on that, and the customers show up in my list. The last item in the demo is the clock out. And when we press the clock out button, we notice it shuts the application down completely. This concludes the demonstration.